Little Xplorers, I'm Maya. Welcome to our brand new Jolly Phonics series. In this adventure, we'll learn letters, their sounds, and lots of fun new words together. And guess what? This is our very first video of Group 1. And today, we're learning the letter S. We'll discover its sound, spot exciting S words, and enjoy little stories to help us remember them. And at the end, I have a special worksheet just for you, so you can practice the letter S on your own. Are you ready to start this phonics adventure with me? Let's go, Little Xplorers! Hey, Little Explorers! Do you see this swirly, snaky letter? This is the letter S. That goes S. It looks just like a snake, and it sounds like one too. S. Repeat after me, Little Explorers. S. 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 Great job! That's the S sound, just like a snake. Let's write the letter S in the air together. Get your finger ready. Now draw a snaky S in the sky, just like this. Great job! You wrote the letter S, swirly and smooth. Let's see the S sound in action. Hey, look! The snake slithers on the sand. Look at the snake. Repeat after me. S, 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 snake! Snake! Slithers. S, s, slithers. The snake slithers on the sand. Sand. The snake slithers on the sand. Snake. Slitter. Sand. Let's spot more words in the park. Do you see the sun? Sun. It's shining up in the sky. Hey! There's a slide in the park. Slide! Wow, amazing! Look, here comes a spider. Spider! The spider is sliding down the slide. Whee! Spider loves to slide. Whee! Now look at this. Here's a stone. Stone! And there's a snail. Snail! The snail is sitting on the stone. So many new words with the sound. Great spotting, Little Explorers!
Let's review what we've learned, Little Explorers. This is the letter S, and it makes the sound S. Can you say it with me? S. Now let's remember the words we spotted. Sand. Snake. The snake slithers on the sand. Sky. Sun. The sun shines in the sky. Slide. Spider. The spider slides on the slide. Stone. Snail. The snail sits on the stone.
Yay! I hope learning the letter S and its sound was super fun. Don't forget to practice more with the worksheet given below. And stay tuned for more exciting phonics adventures. Keep exploring, little explorers, and have a happy learning!